Good evening, viewers. My name is Professor D.H. Kajakantu, and I am here to acquaint you with the basics of financial accounting. What is financial accounting? If I asked you to account for your movements today, you will start telling me how you woke up, how you went to brush your teeth, how you went to bath, how you dressed up, how you had your breakfast, how you jumped on a taxi or a bongo, and how you reached this place. So if I ask you to account for your movements, I'm basically asking you to render a satisfactory explanation of your movements. So it's the same with financial accounting. When we talk about financial, it means there is a douche mark involved. So if I say, can you do some financial accounting? It means, can you give a satisfactory explanation of the financial transactions of an entity? It could be an individual doing business. We refer to them as a sole trader. It could be a partnership, so two or more people doing business together with a view to making a profit. Or it could be a limited liability company where legally the business is separate from the owners, or it could be a not-for-profit organization. So the purpose is not to make profit, it's to serve some other social purposes. So either way, it's an entity, and if you are able to give a satisfactory explanation of the financial transactions of that entity, ndiwe accountant iwe. Yeah, so to whom do you give this explanation? There are a number of users of financial information. Some of them are internal to the organization, others are external. For example, managers are internal, shareholders are internal, customers are external, ZRI is external. So all of these are users of the financial information that you are explaining to them. Now, this financial information is not explained randomly. It is provided in form of standard reports that we call financial statements. Some statements will show you whether you are making a profit. Other statements will show you what you own and what you owe. Other statements will show you just the movement of cash. How much did we have? How much came in? How much did we pay? How much do we have now? Other statements will show you the money that belongs to the owners. So at the start of the year, how much belongs to the owners? Okay, how much profit did we make for the owners? How much did we give them to eat? So how much now belongs to the owners? So all those financial statements are the standard reports that we use to give this satisfactory explanation of the financial transactions of an entity. Most of the textbooks will give you the definition of financial accounting as the collection, analyzing, summarizing, and reporting of financial transactions. Now, basically what they are telling you is the process. That's not the definition. That's the process. That's what we do to render this explanation. So in the next video, we will talk about this process from the collection of data, breaking it down into its individual constituents, which we call data analysis, then summarizing it so that it is now chewable, and then presenting it in form of reports, which we call financial reporting. So see you in the next video.